Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm excited and happy to have you on this channel today. In today's tutorial, we're going to be finding out how to make the PSCC application work on your Android 14. As of when this video was made in May 2025, this tutorial works perfectly well. And there are some applications that you may need to make this work. These applications will be uploaded on the Telegram platform. If you don't have access to the Telegram platform, please indicate in the comment section. This tutorial is brought to you by OYETAYO Olamide. Thanks to him for taking out his time to make this tutorial available. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial.
So if you want to install PSCC app on your Android 14 version phone, these are the steps to follow. You first connect to a Wi-Fi that has data. You connect to it and make sure it is successful. Then you check if it is connected to make sure so that you can be able to enable a particular feature on your phone, which is called wireless debugging. It is found at the system. The system, you go to the bottom, you check developer options. Developer options is not usually activated in phones that are newly bought, so you have to go to build number in your settings. Build number in your settings is where you usually find the developer option to be able to activate it. You tap the build number on your settings 5 times, then developer options will be activated, so you can be able to, as a developer, edit some certain things on your phone or change some certain settings on your phone, because by that time the phone will believe that you are a developer. So I'm trying to search for the wireless debugging now. So I can be able to use it for a particular app. Okay, here it is. That's the wireless debugging. So you click on it, you activate it, you on it, you allow the wireless debugging for the network you have connected on. That's the Technospark 20 I connected on the Wi-Fi. You allow it. Then check the pair device with pairing code. That's the pairing code you use to connect with the app that I'm going to show you very soon. So this is the app Shizuku. You can find it on Play Store or you can get it around the video. So Shizuku, this is the app. When this app is activated, it can take you to developer option, but we are already there. So it's searching for a particular pairing device, which is the Wi-Fi you connected to. It's searching for it. When you search for it successfully, it will be connected successfully, so you don't have to do anything. So now that he has seen it, look at it. Pairing service found. He has found it. Then you can now put in the number, the pairing code, like I said before. You find in the pairing code that you put it on. This is the number, the pairing code. You add the pairing code there, 142210. Connect. Yes. So now we can start Shizuku app. Now we can start using it. So that's it. Let's check. Enter the app. You go back from the pairing option. You go to start. You click start. Sorry for the noise. You click start, then it begins to activate. Then look at the top, it says Shizuku is running, meaning you can now work on it. The wireless debugging is one of the ways to be able to activate the Shizuku app so that you can be able to change some certain options on your phone. So we go to the install with options, which I just clicked. Install with options. Then enter the bypass low target SDK block. This is what blocks your phone from activating any low target or low version apps. So you click on it, you choose the file you want to enter that your phone is refusing to install. You choose the app. For now, I've already installed the PSCC, so I won't be able to see it on my phone again. But if you find the PSCC on your phone, you can still install it. I selected another app that was doing the same thing as the PSCC. The X recorder, I think the version was low in my phone, so it can't activate. So I'm looking for it. Look at it there, X recorder APK. You choose it. If it's PSCC for yours, you choose it. If it's another version that is low that can't install on your Android 14 because of the low version of it, you can still install it and it won't bypass it. Bypass the low version target app and it will install with options. Very sweet and easy. It's loading. See, installation complete. So you have bypassed that feature to be able to install this blue target.